In today's video, I will talk about how to write a business plan. You may prefer a traditional business plan format if you are very detail-oriented, want a comprehensive plan, or plan to seek funding from traditional sources. When you write your business plan, you don't have to stick to the exact plan of the business plan. Instead, use the sections that best suit your business and needs. Traditional business plans use a combination of these 9 sections. 1. Executive Summary. Briefly explain to your reader what your business is and why it will be successful. Include your mission statement, product or service, and basic information about the leadership team, employees, and location of your business. You should also include high-level financial information and growth plans if you plan to apply for funding. 2. Company Description. Use your business description to provide detailed information about your business. Go into the details of the problems your business is solving. Be specific and list the consumers, organizations, or businesses your business plans to serve. Explain the competitive advantages that will make your business successful. Are there any experts in your team? Have you found the perfect location for your store? The description of your business is the place to brag about your strengths. 3. Market Analysis. You will need a good understanding of the prospects for your industry and your target market. Competitive research will show you what other companies are doing and what their strengths are. In your market research, look for trends and themes. What are successful competitors doing? Why does it work? Can you do better? Now is the time to answer these questions. 4. Organization and Management. Tell your reader how your business will be structured and who will run it. Describe the legal structure of your business. Indicate if you have or intend to incorporate your business as a C or S corporation to form a general or limited partnership, or if you are a sole proprietor or LLC. Use an organizational chart to define who is in charge of what in your business. Show how each person's unique experience will contribute to the success of your business. Consider including the resumes and CVs of key members of your team. 5. Service or product line. Describe what you sell or what service you offer. Explain how this benefits your customers and what the product life cycle looks like. Share your intellectual property projects, such as copyright or patent filings. If you are doing research and development for your service or product, explain it in detail. 6. Marketing and Sales. Here is no one way to approach a marketing strategy. Your strategy must evolve and change to meet your unique needs. Your goal in this section is to describe how you will attract and retain customers. You will also describe how a sale will actually go. You will refer to this section later when making financial projections, so be sure to outline your comprehensive marketing and sales strategies. 7. Funding Request. If you are applying for funding, this is where you will outline your funding needs. Your goal is to be clear about what funding you will need over the next 5 years and what you will use it for. Indicate whether you want debt or equity, the conditions you want to apply, and the duration of your request. Describe in detail how you will use your funds. Indicate whether you need funds to buy equipment or materials, pay salaries, or cover specific bills until income increases. Always include a description of your future strategic financial plans, such as paying off debt or selling your business. 8. Financial projections. Complete your funding request with financial projections. Your goal is to convince the reader that your business is stable and will be financially successful. If your business is already established, include income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements for the past 3 to 5 years. If you have any other collateral that you could put on a loan, be sure to list them now. Provide financial perspectives for the next 5 years. Include forecasted income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and capital expenditure budgets for the first year. Be even more specific, and use quarterly or even monthly projections. Be sure to clearly explain your projections and match them to your funding requests. It's a great place to use charts and graphs to tell the financial story of your business. 9. Appendix. Use your appendix to provide supporting documents or other specially requested documents. Common items to include are credit history, resumes, product photos, letters of recommendation, licenses, permits or patents, legal documents, permits, and other contracts. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos.